Well, good morning everyone. It is May 1st and here we are in Girdwood. We're going to go take California Creek Trail today if we can. It's not too busy or too slushy or anything like that. I've taken this trail before. It's pretty nice. It's just winding through the forest out here. Large evergreens, Sitka spruce, hemlock. It's going to be a good time. This was one of the first hikes I ever did in Alaska, actually. And in the summertime, this is just as green as can be. You can't really see anything but Devil's Club plants and alders and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna take California Creek Trail today. Yukon just cannot stop sniffing already. What can I pee on? Something came through here, huh? Alright, so let's get on the trail. It's just a little ways up here. There's a shoe right there. This fallen tree. There's the other shoe right there on the trail. Makes for kind of a spooky but funny scene. So this tree just came crashing down and blew someone out right out of their shoes. Right off the bat, you might notice there's still a lot of snow in this area. I don't foresee it being that way the entire time, given the terrain and everything, but most of the forest does look like it has snow in it, so we'll see. It'll still be nice and green. There's a sign just right up there. Oh, what are you sniffing? Let's go, dude. Like what? He's got to sniff everything. Look, every footprint. Oh my gosh. Oops. Alright. Here's the California Creek Trail sign. I mean, it's pretty brown in some spots. Still is a lot of snow. Alright. Here we go. Or not. Come on. Hey. I can't remember exactly how long this trail is, but I think it's about 3.5 miles or so there and back. There is some deep post-holy snow, but it's kind of staying firm for me right now, which is very nice. Oh, there's a little bit of break. I soaked my hiking boots on the Badarka Peak Trail, so right now they're drying out and I'm using my little trail runner things, my Salomons. Come on, Yukon. See what I gotta put up with this? See what I gotta put up with? This guy. I've always loved this trail. As soon as I took it the first time, it made me think instantly of, like, you know, the redwood forest and stuff. It looks like Endor off of Star Wars. There's all this moss. There's always moss. Can you get that? Maybe not. You can just hear the sound of California Creek off to the distance to the right. And you just kind of amble along the ridge of this little hillside here and follow the creek up into the valley. And I know the trail keeps going and you can actually see a glacier, but I've never taken it that far. The trail that I've taken only goes about a third of the way, so it would probably be about 7 miles to that point where you can see a glacier. I haven't seen anybody on the trail yet, but there were 2 other cars parked there in the little turnoff area. Yourself up. That's a good idea, right? Settle down. Hey, settle down. See a lot of deep footprints here, but it's actually staying pretty well intact for me. Yukon, quit getting in my way. Definitely black bear territory, as you might expect. I haven't seen any sign of any trees being scratched or anything. Let's go over here real quick. Check out the steep ledge. Look how nice and cushiony this is. A dark spot. Spray paint it. I've never noticed that they had these dark spots painted on. It must be kind of new. I see a few more going down that way, but that's not the trail. Trail's this way. So yeah, it's just gonna be a lot of forest like this. A lot of woods. Come here, Yukon. And just follow this. We're gonna get close up there to a little hill. So I'll save a little bit of battery, but yeah, you just cruise around the woods. Pretty nice and easy going. Trying to pull me. Ooh, he's being a bad boy. He's so excited. Stop. Hey, settle down. Quit sniffing things. See, that's what I do. I sniff. So from the sounds of it, you got some kind of falls right down here. Never seen that one specifically. Maybe it's worth going down to sometime. Sounds like it's raging right now. One second. Slick spot. Yukon, this way. Get my foot up. Look at this forest. You ready? Let's do this. predicament. Predicament. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yeah. Look at that. What an interesting tree. You found you're all caught up. Hey. Psst. I'd really like to let Yukon off the leash so he can run and expel a lot more energy, but it's not allowed. Since I saw other cars, it's like, alright, they're out here somewhere. Oh yeah. There's some falls. I don't know how well you can see it, but yeah. It's a pretty cool spot. Wish it was a little more open up to see, but there's a large flat rock face right over there. It's like a wall. There's a bunch of stacked rock. I think Yukon remembers every trail. Now whether or not he wants to stick to the trail is one thing, but a lot of the times when there's like snow covering some spots and I can't really tell, he just sniffs it right out. There might be an eagle nest up here, let me check. It looks like something, no, just a fallen limb maybe. Well, of course, it's the big slanted tree that fell over. That's what it is. Duh. Oh, that was deep. Hold on, Yukon. Stop.
Yukon, settle down. I'm gonna try.
Oh yeah, the wet part. This is the part that sucks. This is the bog of eternal stench. You don't touch this. Yukon, don't touch it. You'll stink forever. Too late. Nice job. This area is kind of wet, kind of nasty. You're gonna heal yet. You are going to heal yet. A lot of downed trees and forked trees. I know the water's coming up here pretty soon. You gotta cross the creek and then keep heading a little ways up some more forest. We're coming up to the water here. It's actually opened up. This is the only real open spot you get before the actual valley, heading up that way. A lot of alders. Keep going, Yukon. Oh, gotta sniff that. Got to. Oh yeah. I had to take my hoodie off. It was getting way too warm. This area is kind of deadly. Oh, ay ay ay.
Okay, that's the trail up there. It's gotta be. What the hell happened here? There's Yukon. Yeah, got him. That's a lot of snow.
Here's the little downhill part to the water. It's gonna be pretty slick since it's kind of wet and muddy. And there's still snow. Yukon's pulling. Take that. Deep marks. You can either go up that way, but since there's so much snow, I'd rather not. I'm probably going to cross over there. So, Yukon's already made his decision. There he goes. Yeah, if he'd just move a little bit. There we go. And go direct him around. Yukon, this way. Hey. Hey, come back. are basically at the end of our trail. We're going to walk through this a little bit and then it's going to open up into the valley. And get to see a little bit of mountains. It's pretty bright out. And with all the snow, it's going to be hard to see how contrasted it is. But one second, here we go. Opening up. So if you keep heading that way, you can hook a right there, or you can keep going that way. And if you do that, you'll come across some glaciers. But I've never taken it that far. I've gone about to where that group of trees is. A little bit past that. That's where the trail, I guess, really gets cut off. And you're just going through alders. I did it in the summertime, so it was really thick and wet. And I mean, it's pretty fun and all going up the whole way. It does open up and the views get better, but for today's trail, just want to come out this way and show you guys. I'll walk a little bit further so you can see, but yeah, it's mostly all through the deep forest, the deep Chugach, old growth Sitka spruce forest. So there's kind of like some hay out here. You'll see a lot of signs for moose out this way whenever you hike. So yeah, we'll walk and get a few more shots before we turn around. I'm just not going to pursue it past this little mound. Right about up here. This is where we'll stop. Pretty gray today. Heading back that way is Alyeska. You just can't tell right now in this video mode. Alright, pretty cool. Good little 2-mile hike out. Again, this was one of the first ones I did come into Alaska, and whenever I drove through Girdwood, I was instantly hooked to that area. It's pretty neat. There's a lot of history out here, but this trail being the first one that I took, it's rated as hard and I don't find it that difficult. It can get nasty with the warmer weather making all the melt happen, but today was pretty good. My shoes are a little wet. My butt's really muddy from falling, but other than that, t-shirt weather feels good. It's a good day. You ready to go back, Yukon? Let me off the leash. So technically somewhere around here, and I'd say maybe up in that area, I'm not too sure, but if you were to climb this mountain, climb this hillside, get to the top, from there you could follow the Penguin Ridge that wraps all the way around Turnagain Arm, all the way to Penguin Ridge, which I have a video of. We didn't make it to the top on that video, but next time we're out we'll try to get to the top. You'll see the ridge, and it's I don't know how long of a hike that would be, but from one way to from Girdwood to Indian would probably be 10 miles or so. So, or Birdhouse Garage to Girdwood. Alright, we're gonna start heading back. This was a fun day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe or do whatever you want. You can dislike my videos. You can like them. Feel free to do whatever. Hope you guys stay safe out there, and yeah, enjoy your weekend. Signing off.